Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to clean USB charging port using home remedies, household items on your VIVO Y76 5G. So remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage the moisture protection and the charging mechanism itself. I suggest to use an old toothbrush which you no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So if you have the cover, you need to take the cover off and take the brush in your hand. Then insert one part of the brush in your charging port and gently pry the dirt out. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.